Moroccanish food. So I'm doing kebab. I have an aromatic rice, sun-dried tomatoes, and mint. I've never made it before. I made it up. And then I just did a lemony yogurt sauce. So. Hi, I'm Daphne Brogdon. You're one of my regulars. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new, we're going to have fun. We have a lot of sun-dried tomatoes and olives. So then I'm thinking, this is a full-fat, no-sugar yogurt. And that's what you're going to want for this kind of sauce. Some yogurt, some lemon, about a tablespoon of olive oil is za'atar. And I don't know if you guys have ever had it. It's really good. It's like dried oregano, marjoram, thyme, and toasted sesame seed. So it's a classic kind of Middle Eastern, North African seasoning. It's one of the things I've already used to marinate the or dry rub the meat that I'm going to be making. So I'm gonna kind of be sprinkling three things. It's gonna be a little bit of a through line for this meal. All right, chopping up my mint. Let it be known I'm chopping mint. It's going inside. 2 cups of broth. I always like to add oil in the rice. I'm gonna put some sun-dried tomatoes. The really cool, interesting Moroccanish rice. Because I just don't want to hand my kids the same kind of rice that they get wrong. Just regular rice. All right, plug your ears. Here we go. So, putting all of this yummy goodness in. Here's a cup. So that does not look like your regular. Doesn't look like your regular rice. So this is. So the beef's already been cut and it's been marinated. I marinated it in garlic, the aforementioned za'atar, pepper, paprika, maybe something else. I can't remember. So far, the yogurt sauce with the Persian Persian cucumbers. Oh, rice going, which is going to be bananas because it's got mint and sun-dried tomatoes. So who knows? It could be awful. We'll see. I made a recipe up this morning. Now, oh my gosh. Look at that. That's really coming together. But I think I need more moisture because it's not done yet. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, look at that having put 4 hours of seasoning on them, you can really, really see it in the crispiness, right? It looks good. Oh, it's going to be good. Get this recipe, Moroccanish rice. So it's sun-dried tomatoes, mint, onions, chicken broth, za'atar, salt, and pepper. So, the rice. All right, now let's do, I'm making it like a flag. A flag for my mythical country. Moroccanish. Got pretty well, didn't it? Oh my God, quick, somebody take a picture. Oh wait, I have to take a picture. And I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something.